Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Halifax Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Halifax Bank and click on this first website, or you can click on sign in to online banking as well. Now on the top right corner, we can see this sign in option. So let's tap on this. Now enter a username here and enter the password. And if you want your username to be remembered even after you get back, simply click on remember my username on this computer. Once you are done, simply click on continue, and if you have forgotten your sign-in details, that is your password and username, you can click on this over here and simply click on continue, after which we get into Halifax online banking interface. So this is all we can do to log in to Halifax online banking. Now, if you liked the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.